What is up, my people? This is Lex Money Crypto, and in today's video, we're going to jump into Algorand. But before we do, make sure you smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. You sub to me for the Lex Money algorithm. Now let's get into the video. Alright guys, Algorand, a new one that we are covering on this channel. However, I'm sure a lot of you guys who are watching the video right now, you already know about Algorand. It's been through a cycle, it's been through 1.5-ish cycles now. So it's a well-known name in the space, guys. So we're going to find out why I have bought it today and whether or not it is a good time to be buying or if you should sell your bag. So let's get into it. 10 cents, guys. 10 cents. Now, I want to remind you guys what you said in the last bull run, because we all said the same thing. We said, I wish I could get those prices. Guys, we're getting those prices. We're getting those prices for Algorand. We're getting those prices for ADA. We're getting those prices for XRP. We're getting those prices for ETH. So on, so on. But remember what I said yesterday. We don't divorce every single bag, guys. And Algorand is one that we should not be divorcing. So Algorand, their mission is for technological innovation that can be used for a betterment of society, a blockchain that offers enormous potential to improve how organizations and societies operate. And in number 3, this potential cannot be achieved by aspiration alone. This can only be realized through blockchain technology. And if you want to go check out their website, you got their website, their team, all that sort of stuff. But I know you guys you're pros in this already. If you're watching the Algorand video, you already know. You've been here. Algo to kickstart 22% breakout rally. Algorand price has rallied 13% since October 28th, showcasing the bullish momentum. This move at the cusp of a breakout could trigger a 22% rally to 11 cents. And where are we now? 11 cents. A daily candle close below 9 cents. Support level will invalidate the bullish thesis for Algo. So people reckon that Algo is ready to push. If you look into the chart and you really do start to zoom in, you'll see that this is exactly what I'm seeing on the smaller time frame. You can go to the daily. Daily is actually a small time frame, and when you go into 4 hours, very small time frame as well. But we've got some very nice resistance levels above us. We go straight to 13, then we've got resistance at 15, then we've got resistance at 19. Could we make a return all the way back up to 30 cents? Excuse my dog. The kids are outside. Not my kids. Live behind a primary school, and he hates them. Anyway, you don't care about that. If we make a return to 30 cents, guys, that's that 300% gain that we said is rubbish, right? But guess what? We're compounding the interest all the way through the bull run. We're not selling for 300%, guys. So if you move to Twitter, you're going to see on the 1 week chart, look at this massive falling wedge. There's a bullish divergence on the RSI as well. I bought some Algo spot. Good man or woman, whatever. Crypto bullet. Nice. I bought some spot here as well. Anything around this 10 cent range. Maybe we hit our head on 13, come back down, and then we have to find another level of support and then go again. It happens a lot with these falling wedges. They break out and then they come back down before they go again, and people think, oh, it was a fake out, and then it actually wasn't a fake out, right? Now, for the chartists out there, this is a bit of a weird one, but Algo, getting way ahead of myself, but zoomed out, you can just see the future inverse head and shoulders. Take out yellow line, and we really get going. Does that rhyme? I think so. I don't know if that rhymes. We take out that 15 cents. Could start to get going, but again, big level of resistance here. We're going to flip it into support and go all the way up to that dollar range again. Remember, we've got a long way up to 250, but once we do start to break this dollar, get to the high sort of 90s and then break the dollar, that's when things really start going. And if you've bought at 10 cents, guys, your bag is going to be going absolutely fucking mental. And if you don't believe me, just wait till next year. It may not be Algorand, but it's going to be one of the bags, and you bought it for cheap because you've been buying it in the bear market. And then you hold, if you can hodl and you can diamond hands, not too much, and remember we average out, but if you can diamond hands it, the gains start to get insane, and I think Algo is going to start printing these insane gains as well, guys. So now, as much as I'm out of the NFT game, guys, in the last 24 hours, Algorand NFT volume is up 305%, transactions are up 155%, unique buyers are up 117%, god damn it, and it looks like the Rand gallery rewards are working, so maybe that's why their volume is up a little bit. But again, NFTs, it's good to see the ecosystem flourishing in a bear market, but that's a whole different video for a different time. If you want an NFT video story and my journey about how I've been flipping NFTs all of last year and how much we made, then, you know, drop a comment, let me know, and I can make another video on that. But just to finish off, does your blockchain fork? Does your blockchain fork, guys? Because did you know blockchains like Solana and Ethereum have failed transactions, as we know? Painful. Thousands of failed USDC transactions. And did you know that Algorand doesn't fork or fail transactions at all? Welcome, crypto newcomers. Please do your own research. That was a bit of like a blah, 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 blah there, but look at all the failed transactions on other blockchains, guys. And I, you know, while I do think this is gonna be eradicated with time, you know, in the next few years. Again, no one likes to see a failed transaction. You think you've put a transaction through, you don't get it. And I failed a lot of transactions trying to get things before, guys, on different chains, and I can tell you it is fucking annoying. So I know the pain. And if you're new here and you haven't, then you got some catching up to do. But before I go, let me know what you think of Algorand in the comments. Make sure you follow me on Twitter. Drop me a sub. And until next time, it's been your Lex Money Crypto. I'm going to see you in the next one. Peace, gang.